Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss some solved examples in our textbook. First example is that if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2, then find the value of tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. Write down solution of first. That is solution of first. Given that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta ची व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला 2 दिली आणि त्यावरून फाइंड आउट करायचे tan स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस 1 upon tan स्क्वेअर थीटा. मग अशा टाइपची टर्म जर आपल्याला यावरून क्रिएट करायची असेल तर आपल्याला दिलेल्या टर्मचा दोन्ही साइडचा स्क्वेअर करावा लागेल आणि देयरफॉर नेक्स्ट लाइन स्क्वेअरिंग on both sides we get tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta bracket square is equal to 2 square. या ठिकाणी a plus b bracket square प्रमाणे याला एक्सपांड करा. a square that is tan square theta plus 2 times a into b that is tan theta into 1 upon tan theta which get cancelled with each other plus b square that is 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2 square that is 4 and therefore finally tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to या ठिकाणचा प्लस 2 लेफ्ट राइट साइड ला शिफ्ट करा 4 minus 2 and therefore finally tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2 which is the required answer for the example number first. Now second given example is if 5 times tan a equal to square root 2 and a lies between pi to 3 pi by 2 that is in third quadrant. Next one sec of b is equal to square root 11 and b lies between 3 pi by 2 to twice pi that is in fourth quadrant. Then we have to find the value of cosec a minus tan a. मग या ठिकाणी cosec a minus tan a जर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल tan b तर फर्स्ट जी व्हॅल्यू दिली cosec a ती आपल्याला फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन मधून फाइंड आउट करायची. दोघांचा अँगलचं तुम्ही कंपॅरिझन करा. या ठिकाणी कॅपिटल ए दिलाय म्हणजे cosec a ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इक्वेशन मधून फाइंड आउट करायची आणि tan b ची व्हॅल्यू ही सेकंड इक्वेशन मधून फाइंड आउट करायची. ते फाइंड आउट करत असताना त्यांचे प्लस मायनस साइन आपल्याला त्यांच्या क्वाड्रंट वरून चेक करायचे. a हा जो अँगल असेल तो तुमचा थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये असेल आणि b फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये असेल. देयरफॉर नेक्स्ट लाइन write down solution of second in which given that 5 tan a equal to square root 2 5 tan a is equal to square root 2 implies tan a is equal to square root 2 upon 5 where a lies between pi to 3 pi by 2 pi less than a less than 3 pi by 2 and second one sec b is equal to square root 11 value of b lies between 3 pi by 2 to twice pi and therefore next line we can find the value of cosec a from tan a equal to square root 2 by 5 and therefore we know that here we have 1 plus q tan a is equal to root 2 by 5 implies cot e is equal to 5 by root 2 and this implies cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square ही आयडेंटिटी सगळ्यांना माहिती असेल cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Put all the respective values. We get 1 plus value of cot A is nothing but 5 upon square root 2 bracket square is equal to 1 plus 5 by 2. त्याची व्हॅल्यू जर आपण फाइंड आउट केली तर 2 plus 5 that is 7 by 2 is equal to cosec square A. मग त्या ठिकाणी cosec च्या दोन व्हॅल्यूज असतील. Therefore cosec A is equal to plus or minus square root 7 upon 2. But A lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. Capital A lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. म्हणजे थर्ड क्वार्टर मध्ये A असेल आणि थर्ड क्वार्टर मध्ये cosec हा निगेटिव्ह असतो and therefore finally cosec A is equal to minus square root 7 by 2. Now next we have to find the value of tan B with the help of sec B equal to square root 11. B lies between 3 pi by 2 to twice pi. And therefore we know that sec square B equal to 1 plus tan square B. मग त्या इक्वेशन वरून आपल्याला tan square B ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करा. This implies tan square B equal to sec square B minus 1, but value of sec B is nothing but square root 11, and therefore square root 11 bracket square minus 1 is equal to 10, which is nothing but the value of tan square B. But we have to find the value of tan B by using that equation. By taking square root on both sides, we get tan B is equal to plus or minus square root 10. But we can decide the fixed value for tan B. B lies in fourth quadrant, that is 3 pi by 2 less than B less than 2 pi. आणि हा जो अँगल असेल तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये लाई करतोय. फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये cos आणि cos चा रेसिप्रोकल साइड हे दोन्ही अँगल पॉझिटिव्ह असतात. दोन्ही ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स पॉझिटिव्ह असतात and therefore tan B is negative in fourth quadrant. And finally value of tan B is negative in fourth quadrant, that is minus square root 10. And lastly, and therefore cosec A minus tan B is equal to, जी व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिलेली cosec A minus tan B, दोघांच्या व्हॅल्यूज त्यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करा. cosec A is equal to minus square root 7 upon square root 2 minus value of tan B itself minus square root 10, minus minus get plus, and therefore minus square root 7 divided by square root 2 plus square root 10, which is equal to minus square root 7 plus square root 2 into square root 10, that is square root 20 divided by square root 2, which is the required answer for example number second. We can check the answer. Square root 20 cosec square equal to 22 upon 7 cosec square. Okay. Here one mistake, silly mistake is there. 5 square is nothing but 25. 2 plus 25, that is 27, and therefore cosec square equal to 27 upon 2. Finally, here square root 27 upon 2, square root 27 upon 2. तो ती व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी रिप्लेस करा. या ठिकाणी cosec A ची व्हॅल्यू असेल 27 upon square root 2, 27 upon square root 2, 27 upon square root. And therefore final answer square root 20 minus square root 27 divided by which is nothing but cosec A minus tan A. Now we are going to discuss solution of next example. Example number 3. Example is that if value of tan theta equal to 1 by square root 7, then evaluate the expression cosec square theta minus sec square theta divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Write down solution of example number 3. Here tan theta is equal to 1 by square root 7. From that equation we can find the value of cot theta, which is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta, that is square root 7. Now with the help of these two values you can find sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is 1 upon square root 7 whole bracket square, is equal to 1 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 7. Next, identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 1 plus value of cot theta is square root 7 bracket square is equal to 8. दोघांचे स्क्वेअर असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी क्वाड्रंटची आपल्याला आवश्यकता नाहीये, आपण डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यूज त्यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकतो. And therefore next line, finally we can find the values of that expression, that is cosec square theta minus sec square theta total divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to, put the respective values, cosec square theta is nothing but 8 minus sec square theta is nothing but 8 by 7 total divided by 8 plus 8 by 7. Finally 8 7 are 56 minus 8 divided by 7 divided by 8 7 are 56 plus दोघांचा डिवाइड 7 जो असेल तो कॅन्सल विथ इच अदर. Finally 56 minus 8, that is 48, divided by 56 plus 8, that is 62. And therefore 3 by 4. Finally cosec square theta minus sec square theta divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta is nothing but 3 by 4. Now we are going to discuss the solution of these examples. There are total 4 examples. We can discuss the solution of this for example one by one, in which first given that or we have to prove cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. We can consider the left hand side and try to prove the right hand side. Here we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3 times ab into a plus b. आपण जर a plus b bracket cube चे एक्सपेन्शन केलं आणि त्यात ही क्वांटिटी मायनस केली तर आपल्याला कशाची व्हॅल्यू मिळते a cube plus b. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी फक्त फर्स्ट आणि लास्ट टर्म शिल्लक असेल, मिडलच्या दोन्ही टर्म्स आपण त्यामधून मायनस केल्या आणि मग हे जे एक्सप्रेशन असेल तर आपण असं राईट अप करू शकतो. and therefore consider left hand side of the given equation, which is cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta. We can write this equation as cos raised to 6 theta is nothing but cos square theta bracket cube plus sin square theta bracket cube. मग या ठिकाणी दोघांचे कॉम्बिनेशन जर आपण केलं तर या ठिकाणी cos square theta is nothing but a and sin square theta is nothing but b. ओरली आपण या ठिकाणी लिहूया a equal to sin square theta and b equal to cos square theta. तर हे जे व्हॅल्यूज असतील त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये रिप्लेस करा. a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, value of it, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta bracket cube minus theta a into b, that is sin square theta into cos square theta, inside the bracket a plus b, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. But we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and therefore our equation become cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 bracket cube minus theta sin square theta into cos square theta into 1, and this implies next term cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta, which is nothing but the right hand side of the given equation, which is equal to RHS. Hence the proof आपण कन्सिडर करताना लेफ्ट हँड साइड कन्सिडर केली आणि ती सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आपल्याला राइट हँड साइड मिळाली, आणि therefore RHS equal to LHS. Now let us discuss the solution of second example. Example is that we have to find or eliminate theta from the given equation. First, x equal to a cos of theta and y equal to b sin of theta. यामध्ये इक्वेशन मध्ये आपल्याला थीटा एलिमिनेट करायचा आहे. तो एलिमिनेट करायचा असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी cos theta आणि sin theta सेपरेटली फाइंड आउट करा. Here cos theta equal to x upon a and sin theta equal to y upon b. दोघांच्या व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट केल्या, and we know that we have cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1 implies value of cos theta is x by a bracket square plus y upon b bracket square equal to 1 implies x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, and theta get eliminated from the given equation. आपण यामध्ये theta काय केला eliminate केला. Now next pair of equation, that is second, x equal to 2 plus 3 cos theta and y equal to 5 plus 3 sin theta. With the help of these two equations, we can find the values of cos theta and sin theta, and this implies cos theta equal to x minus 2 divided by 3 and sin theta is equal to y minus 5 divided by 3. Now we have fundamental identity, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Put the value of cos theta and sin theta in our equation. X minus 2 divided by 3 bracket square plus y minus 5 divided by 3 bracket square equal to 1. And therefore finally x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 5 bracket square equal to 3 square, which is the required equation. कि ज्यामधून आपण थीटा हा पॅरामीटर काय केला आहे एलिमिनेट केला. Now we are going to discuss the solution of next example, that is if 2 sin square theta plus 7 cos theta equal to 5, then find the principal values of cos theta. म्हणजे cos theta साठी आपल्याला principal values त्या इक्वेशन वरून फाइंड आउट करायचे. So let us discuss the solution of example number 3. Equation is that write down given that 2 sin square theta plus 7 cos theta is equal to 5, and we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore equation 1 become 2 times value of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta plus 7 times cos theta is equal to 5. This implies 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 7 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. थ्रू आउट मायनस ने मल्टिप्लाई करा, आपल्याला मिळेल 2 cos square theta minus 7 cos theta आणि मायनस ने मल्टिप्लाई केल्यानंतर इज 2 plus 2 minus 5 जे असेल ते मायनस चे कन्वर्जन प्लस 3 मध्ये होईल आणि इक्वल टू 0 असेल, which is the quadratic equation in cos theta, and we can find its root by factorizing that equation. मग या ठिकाणी असे दोन फॅक्टर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे की त्यांची ऍडिशन ही -7 असली पाहिजे आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन हे 6 असलं पाहिजे. मग कुठले फॅक्टर असतील? 2 cos square theta -6 -1 हे दोन फॅक्टर असतील, त्यांची ऍडिशन ही -7 असेल आणि प्रोडक्ट 6 असेल. -6 cos theta minus cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. And therefore next equation is that that is you can take 2 cos theta as a common from first two term, that is 2 cos theta inside the bracket cos theta minus 6, and from next two term we can take minus sign common inside the bracket cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. ये जो दोन टर्म्स असतील त्यामध्ये cos theta minus 3 कॉमन घ्या, therefore next term 2 cos theta minus 1 into cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0 implies cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 or cos theta is equal to, but cos theta is not greater than 1. cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू कशी असते? नॉट ग्रेटर दॅन 1 असल्यामुळे फ्री विजिबल व्हॅल्यू कुठली असणार आहे? 1 by 2 असणार आहे, and therefore cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, which is the final answer of the given example number 3. Now we are going to discuss the solution of example number 4. Example number 4 is nothing but we have to find the value of theta by using this equation. Here given that 4 sin square theta minus 2 times square root 3 plus 1 into sin theta plus square root 3 is equal to 0, which is nothing but which is quadratic equation, in sin theta, and its value or its solution is given by plus or minus b plus minus discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac total divided by twice a. Here value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to minus 2 times square root 3 plus 1, and value of c is equal to square root, and therefore value of sin theta is equal to minus of minus, that is plus 2 times square root 3 plus 1 plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac, that is 2 square root 3 plus 1 square bracket complete 4 bracket square minus 4 times value of a, that is 2 into value of c, that is square root 3 total divided by twice a, that is 2 into is equal to 2 times square root 3 plus 1 plus or minus त्या 2 चा जर आपण स्क्वेअर केला तर तो 4 असेल, या ठिकाणी -4 दिला आहे, दोघांमधला 4 कॉमन घ्या, तो 4 स्क्वेअर रूटच्या बाहेर आल्यावर त्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट निघेल तो 2 असेल, तो 2 सगळ्यांमधलं कॉमन घेऊन कॅन्सल केला तरी चालेल, किंवा एक नेक्स्ट टर्म तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी एक्स्ट्रा त्या ठिकाणी ऍड करा, ही असेल +-2 स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ square root 3 plus 1 bracket square minus 2 square root 3 divided by 2 into 2. यामध्ये न्यूमरेटर मधून 2 कॉमन घ्या आणि 2 कॅन्सल करा. पुढच्या टर्मला फायनली असेल square root 3 plus 1 plus or minus square root of या दोघांचा जर आपण स्क्वेअर केला तो असेल 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 minus 2 सॉरी या ठिकाणी याची व्हॅल्यू 4 असेल. या ठिकाणी 4 into 4 या ठिकाणी 2 into 4 2 into 4 या ठिकाणी कॉमन काढल्यानंतर या ठिकाणी आतमध्ये 4 असेल. या ठिकाणी कॉमन कॅन्सल केला आपण. या ठिकाणी 2 into 4 असेल. स्क्वेअर रूट 3 plus 1 चा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर केला मायनस 4 square root 3 divided by 4. And therefore next term sin theta is equal to square root 3 plus 1 plus or minus square root 3 plus 1 that is 4 आणि या ठिकाणी प्लस 2 square root 3 या ठिकाणी minus 4 square root 3 दोघांची आपण सबट्रॅक्शन केली तर सबट्रॅक्शन असेल minus 2 square root 3 divided by 4 but we know that square root 3 minus 1 bracket square equal to याचं जर आपण एक्सपान्शन केलं तर ते एक्सपान्शन असेल a square that is 3 minus 2 times ab that is 2 root 3 plus b square that is 1 which is nothing but 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 square. So the easy value असेल 4 minus 2 square root 3 which is nothing but square root 3 minus 1 bracket square. And so we can write 4 minus 2 square root 3 equal to square root 3 minus 1 bracket square. And therefore our equation becomes sin theta is equal to square root 3 plus 1 plus minus square root of square root 3 minus 1 bracket square divided by 4 which is equal to square root 3 plus 1 plus or minus square root 3 minus 1 total divided by 4. पण दोन व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळतील. त्यामध्ये पहिले असेल sin theta equal to square root 3 plus 1 plus square root 3 minus 1 divided by 4 and second value is square root 3 plus 1 minus square root 3 plus 1 total divided by 4. दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू त्यामध्ये फाइंड आउट करा. sin theta is equal to plus minus will cancel 2 root 3 divided by 4 that is root 3 by 2 or sin theta is equal to plus minus get cancel 1 plus 1 2 by 4 that is 1 by 2 and therefore value of sin theta are म्हणजे या ठिकाणी sin theta च्या दोन व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला मिळतील. पहिली असेल root 3 by 2 आणि सेकंड असेल sin theta equal to 1 by 2 and therefore आपल्याला solve for theta म्हटलं मग sin theta equal to root 3 by 2 असेल तर theta equal to sin inverse of root 3 by 2 and second or theta equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. पण root 3 by 2 कुठल्या अँगल साठी असते तर theta equal to pi by 3 साठी root 3 by 2 व्हॅल्यू असते and second theta equal to pi by 6 साठी sin inverse 1 by 2 असते. And therefore values of theta are nothing but theta equal to pi by 3 or theta equal to pi by 6 directly. Okay, this brings to the end of my session. Thank you for listening. In next lecture we will discuss exercise 2.2 and within one lecture our second chapter trigonometry first will finish and after that we will start now chapter number 3 that is trigonometric second. पण trigonometric second हा तिसरा चॅप्टर असेल पेपर नंबर फर्स्ट चा किती चॅप्टर आपण सलग बघितल्यानंतर आपण पेपर सेकंडला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. सो वी विल स्टॉप हिअर.